How to download and install QBDocs. Visit our website www.ics.com.mv and go to download page. Click download. When download is completed, run the setup file. Tick I agree the license terms and conditions, and click install. Wait till Setup Wizard completes installing QBDocs, and click Finish. Run QBDocs from the desktop shortcut or from Start menu Program Files. Once path or folder is selected, click OK, and click Update. Fill up the registration section on the left, and click Request a key of your choice. If you have already paid or you want to get a paid license key, click Get a full key. If you want to try this QBDocs add-on, click Get a trial key. When you request for a key, you will receive a confirmation email similar to this. Once your request is reviewed by our team, validation code is sent via email, which is similar to the contents on this notepad file. Copy and paste the validation code in the registration window, click Activate. If the code is validated, QBDocs gets open.